I present to you the distinguished dignitaries.
Raising the grand biannual day celebrations of Ravi Utsava Prarthana School. Dear audience, now you can witness our school's prefectorial council members. Please, head boy of the state wing, Rajshekhar, head girl of the state wing, Nishani, CBSE head boy, Dakshin, CBSE head girl, Harshita.
Today's guests of Ravi Utsava are Mr. Vivek Alva sir.
Dear audience, it is now the card of honor. Request you to grace the stage by taking your seats and join us on this vibrant journey of Ravi Utsava.
It is with great honor and enthusiasm that we now invite our respectable CEO, Mr. Umesh Hegde sir.
Dignitaries, we request you to elevate the ambience by lighting the ceremonial lamp, symbolizing the illumination of Ravi Utsava in this auspicious month of Kartika Masa, renowned for dispelling darkness and ushering light.
Big round of applause for Atish Rajat, who is the 4th state rank topper. So he has scored Sanskrit 125, English 100, Kannada 100, Maths 99, Science 100, Social 98. Hats off to him.
Hello everyone, good evening. It feels amazing to be back here.
ಈ ಉತ್ಸವದಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಣಂಗ್ ಏನು ಕತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂತ ಬೀನ್ ಮೈ ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಯು ಹವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ
Triple R! Relax!
Rejoice
And rejuvenate!
as the stage undergoes a transformation where you will witness
Miraculous acts! Fun-filled entertainment!
Namma Bengaluru. Are you ready?
ಶಿವನೇ ಚಾಟಿಕಣೋ
ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಂದೆ ಇರುವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಬೆಳಕಲ್ಲ, ದರ್ಶನ. ಹಿಂದೆ ನಡೆದದ್ದು ಮುಂದೆ ನಡೆಯುವುದು ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸುವ ಬೆಳಕು ಕಾಣ್ತದ.
This is Prarthana Raj. West to Prarthana, east to west.
ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ outshines us.
ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ
ಅಚ್ಚುಮೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರವಿ ಉತ್ಸವಕ್ಕೆ ಜಯವಾಗಲಿ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ.